Hello guys, I hope everyone is good there. So today we are going to learn about HTML and CSS. HTML as a hypertext markup language which is used for developing, for uh, building, for structuring our websites. So in the CSS as a cascading style sheet. I think everyone have an introduction about VS Code, or if you don't have, it's a text editor or uh, code editor which is used for developing these websites or these web pages. So we are going to look for an introduction of how we can use this, how we can create folder, open file, create file, or other things which can help you for as a introduction. So we are going to look for them. So as we know, we have to firstly look for extensions. So when you are going to add an extension accordingly, so according to what you need, you have to come here. So when you click here, you must have an internet connection. So there you can add an extension. So here, so let us rush. Here is when you have uh, when you are going to start with the coding, or I mean creating folders, creating files, opening folders, opening files. So you see here we have so if you know about Microsoft, for example Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, so it's somehow look the same, because you see here we have a file, we have a edit, we have a select, and we have a view, we have a go, we have a run, and the others. So here we have a file. When you're gonna open file, or when you are going to create folder, when you are going to save your folder, your file, your word and what, so you have to pass by there according to there's things related to your files. You have to pass through here. So here it's creating a new text file. Here is adding new file or adding new page. So here is opening new window. It means I am going to open other window of VS Code. Here is using new window with a profile or different profile as this. So here is to open my file when I have a file in my computer and I need to open. So I click here and open file from computer. You see it direct me in a computer. Especially you see this is a good, so it's now directing me to there's projects I used before. So now when you're gonna open folder, you click here, so it directs you also in your computer memory or your file explorer. So there you click on folder you need to open. For example, if it's that one, so I will select a folder so that I can open, but for me I am not going to open that folder. So and now here is opening recent. When you are there are recent files you used before, when there are recent folders you used before, and you closed. So here we have them. We have here the files we used before. So here we can open it as current files or current folders. So we shall see all of them without consuming our time. So now we're gonna start for creating a folder. So as uh, you're gonna build your project, you have to create its own folder, so that it can be good, it can be easy to locate, so and it can be easy to secure as your project. So there you will click on file as I told you. So there you will or click here to open folder. You can click to open folder when there is no folder. So you can press right click and create your new folder. So this is the option one of creating a folder or opening a folder. So when you don't have a folder you need to use in your internal memory of computer, you need to create a new one. So when you click here to new, they will give you more of new things you can create. So you can create Microsoft Access database, shortcuts, bitmap, so and others. So but here we have a folder. You can create a new folder. It's in this PC video. This is a link of or a location of where we can found our here is where we can find our folder. So let us call it HTML HTML1 HTML1. So now I'm done of creating folder. So you click on it, it's immediately saved, and make sure that the name of the folder is displaying here. So if it is displaying, you will create you will click on select the folder. So your folder will open. Your folder will open. When it's open like this, you will be able to create a file inside of your folder. You see, our folder is now here. You see, our folder is now here. So here we have icons. We have a new file, we have a new folder, so we can create a new folder inside of this. So we can create a new file which will be saved inside of that folder. So let us create a new file as we are creating a files of as a project of HTML1. Let us call them also HTML1, HTML1 dot HTML. Okay, this is a file extension. It's HTML. You click on it. So you see here we have this icon is a signs of HTML files. So there, when you need to create the second one, like CSS file, you can create HTML.css. You see, it will have a different icon as this. So as it is the CSS file. So now let us come here with HTML. So now when you are here, you will be able to start your coding. You will be able to start building your project. So now we're gonna see how to start. We're gonna see which codes to start for when you are setting up, when you are building your HTML, when you are developing your website. But first of all, we have to open our file in a web browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So let us go there to open our folder our file. It's in videos. Okay, we saved it here in videos. So here we have HTML1. You click on it, and here you see we have these two files we created from our code editor or test editor. So we have HTML.css and HTML.html as a HTML file and CSS file. So you see here we have this code which is document type. It's better to start with it. So it's better to start with specifying the document type. So here we have, you see the document type is HTML. So now we're gonna start our HTML. Sorry, HTML. So now we're gonna specify. You have to specify even language of your HTML. For us, it's English. You type N when you are using English. When it's a French, you type FR or like this. Okay. But for us we are using English. So now okay, here let us have these codes. We are going to set the character set, which is meta character set like that. So you have to put these codes in your mind, because I don't have to explain that this C means this, S means this. This is a character set. You see, child set, it's a child set, but it's a character set. So it's a character set. So we are going to use UTF-8. So now we need to have a meta. So now we are going to specify or we are going to allow our web page to be visible or to be viewed in any device. So where you can use your phone and view, have a good view or best view. So in the computer, TV, or everything which is displaying, where you can display the web page in best view. So let us have here a name of our set is called port view, and the content is width, device width. So here our website can be viewed in different kinds of devices, in phones, computers, televisions, in big flats. So we are going to first recreate this hello world. So when we are here, we have to insert body. Remember that our HTML page is this. We are going to start by hello world. So this is very simple. Web page. So when you come here and refresh for saving our coding, or for saving our codes, for saving our inputs, so you see here after refreshing we have web page here. You see the name is already changed. Before we had a, so let me show you the difference. So before we had this, which is html1.html, but after creating our page title, it means we already changed. So when you type Google, you see here we immediately have Google as title. It means they used this command, which is title, for setting this head which will display here as Google. So after that, let us go back. After that, you refresh and have web page. So after that, we come in body parents for adding this, for displaying hello world. I can use header. I use head 1 or head 2 or head 3 or head 4. So they are different. Head 1, maybe I can say hello world. Hello world. When you refresh, your hello world will be displayed here. So the reason why it is looking like this, it's because it's called head 1. So let me use like head 2 or head 3, and you will see the difference. Head 2, heading 2. So you see the difference? Okay, the difference is there. So you can also use a paragraph. You can type it as paragraph. Is typing P and enter, or hello world. Hello world. So you see when you refresh, it will look as paragraph. So I can use this as a header, heading 1, heading 1. So and I can add the paragraph as let us use there's a automatic paragraph lorem. Type this and immediately come. So you see here we have hello world and this as paragraph. So you see now you already know how to add a text like this hello world we had here. We already learned how we can display hello world in HTML by using HTML. So now here we have also other work to create a paragraph below with the previous paragraph and write something you did today. So for us, we are going to paste them. We are going to create something which is looking like this. So we're gonna delete this. So you see there, it's not bold. It means that it's a paragraph. It's not a heading. It's not a subheading. It's a paragraph too. You have to test paragraph. So hello world. Let us type hello world. Okay. So now when you refresh, hello world is there. Is there an exclamation mark? Okay, I think that's it. So you see here we have a paragraph which is today I went to the grocery store to buy some eggs and vegetables. So you can type them here. You can add a paragraph too. So now when you click refresh, you see now we have the same as it is. So that's how we insert, how we start with the HTML. So nothing much. As we learn daily, you will be able to create the best view and the best website, the best page as we learn together daily. So and now we are going to create this button. Nothing much. So it's creating a button by using code button. Button and type click Okay. So when you come here and refresh, you see we have a click there. You see? So you see it is somehow big. So I don't know. We shall edit this for making it big and changing the how it looks like by applying CSS, and by now we are looking for HTML. So now this also is done by this button, which is uh, button click. So you have to be proud. So and you will become a best programmer when you are proud of doing this, when you like this, when you have this, when you make it every day. So every day you have to learn something which is short, so you will get better. So now we have a task 2 to create two buttons, one with a name and the other one with a favorite food. So it's very simple. So it's having button. So button like this, Simon. Our name is Simon. My name is Simon. So after Simon, I have to create another button which is a chocolate. I like chocolate. I like chocolate. Let me use chocolate because I like. Sorry for. If you like, you can use your favorite food. But for me, it's a chocolate. Chocolate. And when you come here to refresh, you see we have a Simon button with a chocolate. So you see, nothing much. It's very simple and easy. When we learn together, you will become experts. Dear guys, nothing much for programming. It's very good. So when you choose your IT career, it will help you to what to grow. So what you need to know is making subscribe, making like and share to your colleagues, so we can do better than this. So see you in next session. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.